Something new is invading the skies, an aircraft that's destructive and so stealthy that it's almost invisible to its targets. Stealth bombers are the latest and most advanced types of aircraft among the top global military powers in the last decade. These aircraft are effective deterrents and offer significant advantages on the battlefield, and they're being heavily invested in by the US, China, and Russia. The stealth technology of stealth aircraft is designed to minimize their detection by reducing reflections and emissions of radar, infrared, visible light, radio frequency spectrum, and audio. Stealth aircraft make it harder for conventional radars to detect or track them effectively, which allows the aircraft to avoid detection by enemy radars and being targeted by radar-guided weapons, despite the fact that no aircraft is completely invisible to radar. A stealth device combines passive low observable (LO) features with active emitters such as radios and radars with a low probability of interception to maximize its convenience. There is still a great deal of room for advancement in the stealth bomber technology. Nevertheless, this new arms race could have a significant impact on the future of warfare since America, China, and Russia are clearly committed to incorporating them into their military arsenals. How are conventional bombers different from stealth bombers? Conventional bomber consists of large aircraft that flies high above a target and drops bombs from a massive array. They're extremely effective at causing chaos, and their incredible power has destroyed entire cities. At the same time, SAM missile batteries and fighter interceptors are capable of detecting and attacking them. The destructive power of stealth bombers is similar to that of conventional bombers. On top of that, their low radar signature makes them much harder to detect, making them potentially deadlier. The B-2 Spirit, for instance, appears as a large bird on radar with its massive 172-foot wingspan. A main difference between these two types of bombers is that they carry their payloads internally, which reduces their vulnerability. The secrecy and surprise offered by stealth bombers is a major advantage. China has recently developed a new sophisticated stealth bomber, known as the CN-H-20. This Chinese bomber is designed to elude radar, infrared sensors, and other electronic warfare devices. The China Aerospace Science and Technology Corporation, or CASC, developed the system, which is scheduled to enter service in 2025. As of yet, the Chinese government has not revealed any details about the program. Reports have led to the inference that it will be a long-range bomber equipped with nuclear weapons. The aircraft will also likely feature low-noise propulsion and radar-absorbent materials, along with the ability to fly at very high altitudes. There is also a stealth bomber being developed by Russia, named the Pakda. Russia has long been prideful of its strategic bombers, but the Pakda will bring its air force to a new level. Being constructed as a highly stealthy aircraft, the Pakda will be equipped with long-range precision weapons and capable of breaching enemy airspace. The Russian aerospace company Tupolev is developing the Pakda. By the time it's completed, it will be one of the most advanced stealth bombers in the world, providing Russia with a significant military deterrent against the United States and European countries. The H-20 stealth features, such as a low-noise propulsion system, radar-resistant materials, and nuclear strike capabilities, will likely be incorporated into this bomber as well. It will be capable of carrying 12 hypersonic cruise missiles. The project is still in its infancy, and the Russian military industry doesn't have a reputation for producing aircraft at a rapid pace. Consequently, they may not be able to mass-produce this bomber for decades. The B-21 Raider stealth bomber is also under development by the U.S. Right now, the B-2 Spirit stealth bomber is in service in the American military. But they are quickly developing a new generation of stealth bombers that are highly capable and are equipped with cutting-edge technology. The B-21 Raider is a revolutionary stealth bomber that can penetrate deep into enemy territory and is designed to be highly survivable. Northrop Grumman is developing the B-21 Raider, expected to enter service in the mid-2020s. A versatile platform, it will carry both conventional and nuclear weapons, which will allow the Air Force to attack targets worldwide. In place of the aging B-52 Stratofortress, the B-21 will be the primary long-range bomber for the Air Force. It will ensure the U.S. Air Force's air dominance for decades into the future by offering it an important new capability. With the latest stealth bombers in development by the U.S., Russia, and China, aerial warfare will be taken to new heights. Budget constraint prevents Russia from manufacturing many aircraft but China is fully engaged in this arms race, and the United States hopes to take the lead with its B-21 bomber. It's extremely likely that the design of the B-21 will influence the design of bombers in the 21st century as a whole. What do you think about the future of stealth aircraft? Do you think it will revolutionize aerial warfare? Will their development be reserved to these three powerful countries? As their development unfolds, it's interesting to see whether other countries will step up. Drop your opinions below. If you liked our video, please like and subscribe, folks.